I've known Josh for 18 years now. Best man I've ever met in my life. Hannah, you are the best thing to ever happen to Josh, and I love seeing the way he's grown with you. Josh is my chosen brother. We're not blood, but we are family, and you are now my sister by choice, and I just want you both to know that anytime you ask me to, I would walk through fire, no hesitation, no questions asked, for either of you. Here's to Josh and Hannah. Hopefully many, many great years to come, and hopefully we can all be by their side for all of them. To Josh and Hannah.
Even on the worst days, even on the best ones, I will fight for you. Even in the heartbreak, even when we win, I'll be loving you over and over again. You'll be mine.
Throughout my life, people have always told me that I was lucky in some sort of way. And right now, I truly feel that way. I don't deserve you, Hannah. You have made my life more fun and adventurous than you can even imagine. You have let me live my life, even though you haven't been able to do the things or had the experiences that I have. And I'm truly, truly thankful that you understand that we are together, but we both live our separate lives. And I just love the crazy love story that we are. Nobody knows our relationship besides us, and we know what we have built, and we've built it together.
Over and over again, I'll choose you every time. We will be lovers, fighters through every dream. We'll be hand in hand. I wouldn't change a thing.
Oh my god. You look so pretty.
Thank you.
Can you believe? Can you believe it?
No.
It's kind of scary.
Yeah.
You look so pretty.
Thank you. This is yours. Did you think this is what my dress would look like?
It looks better than what I thought.
Really? As I stand here today in front of our friends, family, and loved ones, I cannot help but reflect on the journey that has brought us to this very moment. You have been my chef, my mechanic, my handyman, my cheerleader, my therapist, my roommate, co-homeowner, the absolute best doggy dad to Shaggy and Ollie, and so many other things. But most importantly, you have been my best friend. Today, I will finally get to add husband to that list. You are a man filled with ambition, charisma, and so much kindness. I adore and admire the kindness and understanding that you not only show me, but everyone that you cross paths with.
You never cease to amaze me. No one in this world is perfect, but I truly believe that you are perfect for me, and I am perfect for you, and we are perfect for each other.
You exist in my world the way that no one else does. You are truly my home. I am so thankful for the way that you show me love and beyond grateful for the opportunity to give you that love back. I'm incredibly lucky to have you in front of me, leading the way, next to me to take on life and the world together, hand in hand, and behind me supporting me through all of life's challenges and endeavors. I am far from perfect and know that I may fall short at times, but today I promise you these things. I vow that our life together will never be boring. I will do my best to live each day with you like the precious gift that it is. To seek out adventure and take it on by your side. I vow to continue to learn about you, understand your wants, your needs, your desires, and do everything in my power to fulfill those. And I vow to continue to change with you and to grow with you, just as we have these last 12 years, to become the best versions of us. Joshua, there will truly never be enough days on this earth, but I promise you to love you for every single one of them.
I promise to love you when you don't love yourself, to comfort you, through the hard times and hard situations and guide you through whatever you need to be guided through. I promise to listen to you and do what I can to make our lives worth living. I love you, Hannah Taylor Sherburne, for the last time, and I welcome Hannah Taylor Mead into my life.
And by the power invested in me by the state of Illinois, and with the trust and witness of everyone here today, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now seal your love with a kiss.
Even when I laugh, I will stand with you. Even when the doors close, even when we have it all, it's always me and you. Over and over again, you'll be mine. Over and over again, I'll choose you every time.
As most of you have been, I've been waiting for this wedding for a really long time. As Hannah and Josh's third wheel, I've seen them overcome some pretty big obstacles in their relationship and come out stronger each time. They are such a fun-loving couple, and they're always up for a good time. Hannah is truly one of the most hardworking, genuine people I've ever met. She would do anything for her friends and family, and I admire that so much about her. To know Hannah is to love her, and anyone who has Hannah in their life is so blessed. Hannah, thank you for being such a good friend these last 7 years. We've experienced so much together, and I wouldn't want anyone else by my side. Josh is probably one of the most outgoing people I've ever met. He doesn't know a stranger and is always making people feel welcome and included. He has the kindest heart and is so caring. Josh, I can't thank you enough for treating my friend with such love and respect. Also, just a reminder, there are no returns.